You go generate, and WonderDraft will create random coastlines for you. You can cut, erase, fill, copy, resize, rotate. Highly practical. Hello and welcome back. In this video, I want to show you the more advanced tools to create lands in WonderDraft. Let's jump right into it. So let me show you first the landmass wizard. So what this does is, let's say you don't want to create all these yourself. You can make WonderDraft do it for you. So you come on top of this guy, and on the right part we have roughness, detail, and water level. So let's keep it like this, for example. Medium detail, medium roughness, high water level, and I want to have a continent. Here you can choose what type of landmass you want to create. You go generate, and WonderDraft will create random coastlines for you. And if you come back to it and decrease or increase the water level, you will be able to adjust those lands by rising or lowering the water level. And if you want to have, for example, something else, let's say a world, less waters, maximum details, and maximum roughness, you just click generate again, a little bit of time, and WonderDraft will create a random world map for you. Keep regenerate until you find something that you like, or keep tweaking the water level to see how it will end up. As you can see, it created another world map for me. Keep generating it until you like. You may use it to save time and to practice on making maps, but I would suggest you to learn how to create them manually to master the art of cartography. So I'm going to undo all of these and get back to my sheet. So this is the first tool that I wanted to show. It allows you to create random maps in WonderDraft just with a few simple clicks. The next one is the Landmass Lasso tool. This tool, if you click it, and by using the left mouse button, you choose an area. By right clicking, you finish choosing the area. And when you do that with this tool, you will have these options on the right. You can fill this area, you can erase it, cut it, or copy it. I will copy this one and paste. And now I have the exact same coastlines here. And by clicking enter, I can place them anywhere in the map. I am now choosing another area, pressing fill, and that area is, this tool is very practical when you need to copy a part of your map to create an inner map or fill out some very big land masses. So for example, let's say I cut this one, paste it, and now I can move it anywhere else. You can choose, click on it one time, let it pick it up, and using these corners, you can resize it or you can rotate it. This is the other tool, Landmass Polygonal tool, that is very practical. And these are the main functions of it. You can cut, erase, fill, copy, resize, rotate. Highly practical. And the final tool that I want to show you in this video is the brush. So how do we color these lands? You need to go to the ground color brush here. The shortcut for that is G. And here on the right, you will have these colors. You can add new colors here by clicking the plus button and adjusting it on this panel. On this filter part, if you click on it, it will give you this filter. So if you want to color only the ground, you select all of them and choose only the ground. And right now, this brush will color only the ground. Here on the top part, you have these different brushes. This one is like that. This one is a bit cloudy, foggy, and this one is purely solid color. You can adjust the brush size here, opacity, and velocity here. So for example, if I reduce this all the way down and click with this one, you see now it is not filling it at once. If I fill all of these and click, now as you can see, it will immediately apply lots of color to that area. So these are the tools that I want to show you in this episode. Right now, those four main tools, rising, lowering, erasing, or brushing, and using the polygonal tool, we can easily adjust our lines, rotate them, resize them, and overall are ready to create in WonderDraft. That means we can now jump to the next episode, which is, let's reveal, symbols. We are going to be learning, spraying, placing, moving, and coloring mountains. So make sure to like and support, comment, share, and give me feedback, guys, to help me to make better videos for you. And I'll see you on the next episode. Until then, happy mappings and bye.